To successfully perform reset of AirPods 4, first of all, you have to be sure that you recharge this case with both earbuds inside at least to 10%. Then you will have to close this case until this indicator disappears, and now you will have to open it, but by the way, keep holding only like that, because right here you can find the touch sensor, and once you actually tap on it, you are not gonna perform this reset. So probably I can recommend you to hold it like this, maybe like this. And now start tapping right here. We have to double tap 3 times, and after you hear a beep sound, it means that you can start tapping again. So you cannot tap like that, okay? You have to do this a little bit slower. So take a look. There is no sound, so we have to do this one more time. Not working. Not working. Okay, so looks like we have to close this and repeat. Sometimes it happens right here. One more time. There we go. There we go. There we go. And now it turns amber, which means that the reset is successful. So as you can see, there is some issues with this reset process, but after you try this for a few times, definitely you will be able to do this. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.